Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. It will help you a lot and you will get the notification of the new videos. Today we will discuss a moral story and the topic is and the moral is it is no use crying over spilt milk. In Urdu we can say that अब पछताने से कुछ नहीं होगा जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. It is the translation of this proverb. It is a proverb. It is no use crying over spilt milk. Okay students, we can relate many stories with this moral as there is a fox and the crow. That is also we can relate it. There are some other morals. An oily tongue seldom fails, beware of flatterers. And there is also the story about the hare and the tortoise. It will also relate. It can also relate with the same proverb. There are slow and steady wins the race, pride hath a fall. So it is no use crying over spilled milk. We can write both of them. I will read it for you and it's up to you which story you will like to write on your notebooks with this moral. And the moral is this: it is no use crying over spilled milk. So let's start. First of all, look at the pictures. There are the pictures about a hungry fox and the hints as well. A hungry fox in search of water, a crow with a piece of cheese, flattering by fox to get cheese, and crow opened his mouth and fox picked cheese. It means that there is the story about a fox and a crow, and fox wanted to eat the cheese which is in the mouth of the crow. So let's start. Let's have a look on the story. You should have to write it on your notebooks and your writing should be neat, and don't forget to fill your index page and do it very neat and clean. Let's start. Once upon a time there was a hungry fox. He searched for food everywhere but couldn't find anything. Soon he reached in a garden where he saw a crow sitting on the tree with a piece of cheese in its beak. Let's wait for the azan. So student, now next is fox mouth watered and he hardly controlled himself. He thought of a plan to get the piece of cheese from the crow. He sat under the tree and flattered means खुशामद करना, ठीक है, चापलूसी करना, खुशामद करना. And flattered the crow saying, you are a beautiful bird and I want to listen a song with your melodious voice. Melodious यानी सुरीली आवाज़, ठीक है. I will be pleased to listen your sweet tone. उसको खुशामद कर रहा है कि तुम्हें कितनी खूबसूरत आवाज़ है, मैं गाना सुनना चाहता हूँ वगैरह वगैरह, ठीक है. The crow was impressed by fox's word and liked his false praise. False praise यानी झूठी तारीफ. He opened his beak to sing for the fox. As he opened his mouth, the piece of cheese fell down. The clever fox picked it up promptly and went away. Promptly यानी जल्दी से, ठीक है. जो ही उसके मुंह से निकला उसने चीज़ को पकड़ लिया. Went away saying that thanks for a nice food. Thanks for a nice food. See you next time, Mr. Crow. Bye bye. So this is your story. You can write it this one and also you can write this one with the moral. It is no use crying over spilled milk. That is also there are the two morals: slow and steady wins the rain and pride hath a fall. That is the hare and tortoise. You are already knew it. You can write it to your own words. It doesn't mean that you will write this that I am showing you in the video. You can make your own moral stories as well. What is the moral stories? Moral stories are the connection of the events. तो वो आप खुद भी अगर बना सकें तो ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. Moral story, you should have to read the moral stories again and again and you will make your own moral stories. Okay, so this is your moral story work. You should have to write on your notebook. Just focus on it is no use crying over spilt milk. Now students, we have a couple of words. First is conflict. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इट इज़ अ नाउन, इट मीन्स डैट टक्कर लेना किसी से या तनाज़ा यानी लड़ाई, ठीक है. सो आई हैव मेड द सेंटेंस अली हैज़ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद हिज कज़न. सस्पेक्ट, द वर्ड इज सस्पेक्ट, नाउन, इट इज़ आल्सो नाउन, इट मीन्स डैट क्यास करना, मुश्तबा या मशकूक नज़र से किसी को देखना, ठीक है. दूसरे को देख के मतलब कंफ्यूज हो जाना कि ये क्या चीज़ है, मशकूक. ही एवर सस्पेक्टेड हर फुलिश थाट्स. प्रोमिनेंट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव, इट मीन्स नुमाया, मुमताज़. So you will make the sentence of this, and I have already made these sentences, but you can change it according to your own minds. Okay, the first word is conflict, टक्कर या तनाज़ा. सस्पेक्ट, मशकूक. prominent, नुमाया या वाज़िया. So there are also translation into English. No, you know very well we are learning present continuous and do practice again and again is rm plus ing form, and in active either passive voice we use the formation is rm plus being plus third form of verb. So there are your 5 sentences. You will translate it into English and then make passive voice of these. Okay, like Alia chai bana rahi hai. Alia is making tea, and when you change it into passive voice you will write आलिया चाय बना रही है. टी इज बीइंग मेड बाय आलिया. Recall the previous videos and the all formation about the passive voice, active voice, passive voice of present continuous. Then you will make it easily. First you translate it into English and then you will make easily passive voice of these sentences. So your diary is, first of all, write a short story. You will write a short story. After that you will make sentences. These are 3 sentences which I have made 2, and the one is left. So you will make it and also learnt it, and after that you will translate into English. This is your translation. आलिया चाय बना रही है, सुलमान नमाज पढ़ रहा है, क्या अफजल भाग रहा है, मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ, क्या हम खिलौने नहीं खरीद रहे हैं. इसकी मैं बता देती हूँ, नेगेटिव प्लस इंट्रोगेटिव है. इट मीन्स डैट क्या हम खिलौने नहीं खरीद रहे हैं. आर वी नॉट बाइंग ट्वाइस, ठीक है. सो ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश विद एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस. अल्लाह हाफिज़.